Withings body scan. First up, we have the Withings body scan. This isn't just any ordinary weighing scale. It's the world's first smart scale with an ECG feature, segmented body composition analysis, and nerve activity assessment. Imagine stepping on a scale and getting a full health report. How cool is that? Using it is super simple. Just stand on it and hold the handlebar. It sends a small electric current through your body to give you accurate health data. This scale doesn't just measure your weight. It provides a detailed report including body fat, muscle mass, and even nerve activity. Traditional scales only use surface conductors that measure your lower body, but with the handlebar, the Withings body scan can analyze your entire body. And with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, you can monitor all your health metrics on the Withings smartphone app from anywhere. This feature is particularly useful if you want to keep an eye on your elderly parents' health remotely. The app provides detailed health records, trends over time, and even gives you personalized health tips to improve your well-being. So whether you're looking to track your own fitness progress or ensure your loved ones are staying healthy, the Withings body scan is a fantastic choice. With Withings' reputation for quality and innovation, you know you're getting a top-notch product. Snoppa Atom 2 next. Let's talk about the Snoppa Atom 2, a game changer for smartphone photography and videography. This compact device can transform into a selfie stick, tripod, and gimbal all in one. It's got self-leveling capabilities for smooth video, so you don't have to worry about shaky footage. The built-in AI facial recognition is truly impressive. It tracks your face and keeps you in the frame, even if you're moving around. This means you can record professional-looking videos without needing someone behind the camera. The Snoppa Atom 2 is also perfect for group photos or time-lapse videos. Just set it up as a tripod and let the advanced features do the rest. The battery life is solid, so you can use it for extended shooting sessions without any interruptions. Whether you're a vlogger, content creator, or just someone who loves capturing memories, the Snoppa Atom 2 makes it incredibly easy and fun to shoot high-quality photos and videos. Bebird N3 Pro. Now, this next gadget is something truly unique, the Bebird N3 Pro. These are smart ear cleaning tweezers with a 10 million pixel HD camera for real-time footage. Say goodbye to cotton buds forever. The Bebird N3 Pro ensures you get a clear view inside your ear, making cleaning safe and effective. The special lenses provide high clarity, and the LED lights eliminate shadows, giving you a precise view. Plus, with its 360-degree angle projection and 6-axis gyroscope, it's safe, even for kids as young as 3. The device comes with multiple attachments and a robust battery life. 1 hour of charge gives you up to a month of usage. It also includes 12 accessories, such as alcohol swabs and mini brushes, making it a comprehensive ear cleaning solution for the whole family. So if you're looking for a high-tech, safe, and effective way to clean your ears, the Bebird N3 Pro is the way to go. It's innovative, user-friendly, and perfect for everyone in the family. RyidarLinkLens Pro 2.0. For all you snow sports enthusiasts, check out the RyidarLinkLens Pro 2.0. These smart audio-enabled snow goggles come with upgraded hardware and immersive sound quality, perfect for hitting the slopes. With open-air audio and dual mic noise cancellation, you can enjoy your favorite tunes and take calls even in windy conditions. The single-ear mode allows you to stay aware of your surroundings while still enjoying crystal-clear audio. Plus, these goggles are stylish and come in new color options to match your gear. Another cool feature is the voice assistant. With just a button press, you can control your music, get weather updates, and more. All hands-free. At $209.72, they're a great investment for any snow sport lover. Ranvoo Electric Towel Rack. Keep your towels dry and mildew-free with the Ranvoo Electric Towel Rack. It's compact, stylish, and comes with a touchscreen for easy setting adjustments. Made from premium aluminum, it's rust-proof and perfect for any modern home. The touchscreen allows you to set timers and adjust the heat settings easily. You can program it to heat your towels before you step out of the shower, ensuring you always have a warm, dry towel ready. Whether you have a small bathroom or a large one, this sleek design fits seamlessly into any space. Available for $129, it's a practical and luxurious upgrade for your home. Sony Airpeak S1 Drone. The Sony Airpeak S1 drone is unbelievably cool because it can carry an alpha camera system while maintaining an impressively tiny stature. It's perfect for video content creation and professional photography. This drone supports Sony's mirrorless alpha cameras and uses artificial intelligence to keep images steady as it flies. With a top speed of 55 miles per hour and stability during windy conditions, this all-black drone adds an extra touch to your filmmaking. EcoFlow DELTA Pro need reliable power backup. The EcoFlow DELTA Pro portable power station has you covered with a whopping 3.6 kWh capacity, expandable up to 25 kWh. Power your home appliances, integrate it with your home circuits, and control everything via the EcoFlow app. It's a lifesaver during power outages, making it a must-have at $3,699. The EcoFlow DELTA Pro can be charged in 6 different ways, including solar panels and smart generators. This means you can stay powered up even off the grid. The smart home panel allows you to integrate up to 2 units with 10 home circuits, providing seamless power during blackouts. If you're looking for a versatile, powerful, and reliable power station, the EcoFlow DELTA Pro is an excellent choice. It's perfect for emergencies, outdoor activities, and even as a power source for your RV. Focus Timer. Boost your productivity with the Focus Timer. This sleek device helps you manage your time using the Pomodoro technique. Just flip it over to start a session. The intuitive design makes it easy to set and repeat timers, with gentle lights indicating the time left. The device has no moving parts, making it simple and durable. You can adjust the timer from 1 to 100 minutes, and the lights provide a clear, glanceable indication of how much time is left. You can also adjust the volume, including a mute option, which is perfect for quiet work environments. The Focus Timer is ideal for students, professionals, and anyone looking to improve their time management. YSMART MQ3 Flashlight. Meet the YSMART MQ3, a powerful yet compact flashlight. With 130 lumens, it's perfect for any situation, indoors or outdoors. The pop to turn on feature is incredibly convenient. Just detach the head to turn it on instantly. It's magnetic, so you can attach it to any metal surface for hands-free use. Plus, it's USB Type-C rechargeable, so you never have to worry about replacing batteries. The flashlight has multiple brightness settings, making it versatile for various situations. It's durable, water-resistant, and small enough to carry on your keychain, all for just $37. It's a great addition to your everyday carry. Meural Canvas. Turn your home into an art gallery with a Meural Canvas. This smart digital frame lets you display over 30,000 artworks or your own photos in stunning HDs. With easy uploads via Wi-Fi and a user-friendly app, you can customize your display to match your mood or decor. The frame supports images up to 1080p resolution, ensuring your artwork looks crisp and vibrant. You can even schedule different images to display at various times of the day. The Meural Canvas comes in different sizes and frame options to suit your style. Whether you want to display classic art, modern pieces, or your own photos, this digital frame makes it effortless. Available on Amazon for $499, it's a stylish and versatile addition to any home. Govee Smart Air Quality Monitor. Keep your indoor air quality in check with the Govee Smart Air Quality Monitor and Sensor. It monitors temperature, humidity, PM2.5, and more, and lets you set your target air quality levels. This device works with Govee smart appliances to make your home even smarter. Monitor your indoor air stats from your smartphone and make changes in real time. Available on Amazon. AROMEO Sense. Last but not least, the AROMEO Sense. This smart lamp adjusts your lighting, diffuses essential oils, and even plays music to help you relax and stay focused throughout the day. Customize your ambiance and enjoy a more tranquil living space with this multifunctional device. It uses a combination of light, sound, and aroma to create a soothing environment perfect for unwinding after a long day. You can choose from various lighting modes, including a wake-up light that simulates sunrise to help you wake up naturally. The built-in speaker provides high-quality sound for your favorite music or calming nature sounds. It's the perfect addition to any home, especially for those looking to create a peaceful and relaxing atmosphere.